Excel or AI? Which one should you choose for your daily office work? For years, Microsoft Excel has been one of the most trusted tools for calculations, reports, data management, and analysis. Now, artificial intelligence can clean information, explain formulas, identify patterns, and prepare summaries in seconds. This has created an important question for office professionals. Is AI replacing Excel, or is it simply making Excel more powerful? In this video, you will discover which tool is better for 5 common office tasks: cleaning data, performing calculations, solving formula errors, finding insights, and preparing reports. By the end, you will have a simple framework for choosing Excel, AI, or a combination of both. If you enjoy practical videos about Excel, AI for Excel, and productivity tools that help you work smarter, subscribe to TechWise AI. After watching this video, check out my previous Excel and AI video, linked in the description and shown on the end screen. To make this comparison useful, we will judge Excel and AI using 5 important factors: accuracy, speed, ease of use, repeatability, and auditability. These factors matter because finishing a task quickly is not enough. The result must also be correct, easy to review, and reliable when the task is repeated. Let us begin with a common problem in almost every workplace: messy data. Office data often contains extra spaces, duplicate entries, inconsistent names, missing values, and mixed date formats. Excel provides tools such as trim, remove duplicates, and Power Query. Once a cleaning process has been created, it can be repeated whenever new data arrives. This makes Excel an excellent choice for weekly or monthly reports. AI approaches the problem differently. Instead of selecting several tools or commands, you can describe what you need using normal language. For example, you could say, standardize the names, identify duplicates, remove unnecessary spaces, and make all dates consistent. This is where Excel AI can make data entry in Excel and data management easier for beginners. AI may be faster when you need to understand an unfamiliar file or find a suitable cleaning method. Excel is stronger when the same process must be repeated regularly. The best approach is often a hybrid workflow. Use AI to suggest the cleaning method and Excel to preserve and repeat it. The next task is where Excel remains especially strong: exact calculation. Excel formulas such as sum, if, sumefs, and xlookup produce controlled and repeatable results. That is essential for budgets, invoices, QA/QC records, performance report, and any information that may be checked or audited. AI can create an Excel formula and explain how it works. This makes AI for Excel valuable for anyone taking an Excel course or following an Excel tutorial for beginners. However, an AI-generated answer may occasionally be wrong or incomplete. For important numerical work, native Excel formulas should perform the final calculation, and a person should verify the logic and results. In this category, Excel wins because accuracy, reproducibility, and auditability are more important than simply producing a quick answer. But what happens when an Excel formula displays an error such as NA, value, or a ref? Excel tells you that something is wrong, but a beginner may not understand why the error occurred. AI can explain the meaning of the error, identify possible causes, and suggest a correction. This is one of the most practical Excel hacks for learning faster. You can ask AI to explain each part of the formula, compare the original and corrected versions, and show you how to prevent the same error in the future. However, the suggested correction must still be checked. Cell ranges, table names, data types, and expected results all require verification. AI is better for troubleshooting and explanation, while Excel is better for testing the corrected formula. This round is therefore a partnership. AI explains, Excel verifies, and human judgment approves. Now, let us move from calculations to Excel data analysis. Excel can organize information using filters, conditional formatting, pivot tables, and charts. These features help you understand what happened. AI can go one step further by suggesting why the result matters and what you should investigate next. For example, AI may highlight a growing region, a declining product, or an unusual value. It can also turn complicated findings into a simple explanation. However, an AI summary is not evidence by itself. Every important statement should be traced back to the source data, a pivot table, or a chart. Excel should always provide the supporting numbers. For discovering possible patterns quickly, AI has an advantage. For validating those patterns and presenting supporting evidence, Excel remains essential. This is where advanced Excel and AI work especially well together. The final task is turning data into a clear report for a manager, client, or project team. Excel creates tables and charts connected to the source data, while AI can transform the main findings into a concise and professional summary. For example, you could ask AI to explain the strongest result, the biggest risk, and one recommended action. This can save time, but every statement must be reviewed before it is shared. For management reporting, Excel provides trusted data and visual evidence. AI speeds up the first draft, while human judgment ensures that the final message is accurate and appropriate. This combination can make Excel automation more useful without sacrificing professional responsibility. So, which one should you choose? Excel or AI? Choose Excel when your work requires exact calculations, structured formulas, repeatable processes, controlled records, and auditable results. Choose AI when you need simple explanations, help with formula errors, data cleaning suggestions, possible patterns, or a fast first draft. Choose Excel plus AI when you need both speed and reliability. AI guides and accelerates. Excel calculates and verifies. You provide the professional judgment. Whether you are learning basic Excel, looking for Excel tips and tricks, exploring Excel data analysis for beginners, or developing advanced Excel skills, remember this simple rule. Let AI accelerate, let Excel verify, and let human judgment decide. Also, never upload confidential company, customer, or project information to an AI tool unless your organization has officially approved the tool and its data handling policy. Now, I want to know your choice. For your daily office work, do you use Excel, AI, or both? Write Excel, AI, or both in the comments. If this explanation helped you, like the video, share it with someone who works with data, and subscribe to TechWise AI for practical Excel tips, Excel automation, AI productivity workflows, and easy step-by-step guidance. Then watch my previous Excel and AI video on the end screen to discover another practical way to save time and work smarter. I will see you there.